Hi, Mike.
Hey, Josie.
We are
getting stung by flipping nettles. Check it. I went picking nettles.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
so you eat those?
Yeah.
Or do they still sting you when you eat them?
Yeah, try one.
No, fuck.
Hey, come on, Josie.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
No, seriously. Josie, today we're going to make an off-the-wall, really amazing pap.
Pap for all the Americans that are watching this?
For the Americans, porridge, I suppose, eh? Mealie meal porridge, but they wouldn't know what mealie meal is. Let's
Corn. No, it's pap corn.
Yeah, it's corn, but I'll tell you what, let's talk to the Italians, because the Italians will understand. Polenta. That's
Si.
South African style.
Okay.
Hey, that's polenta.
Cool, yeah.
Oh. Okay, so, Josie, first thing. Water. Okay, it's just the two of us, so I'm not going to make a whole lot.
Yeah.
And I'm going to bring it to boil. In the beginning, some salt. Basically, there you go, about 2 pinches of salt. In fact, mealie meal likes a little bit more salt than that. There we go.
Cool.
Cool.
That's like a teaspoon.
Hey? Yeah, a teaspoon of salt. Never thought of that. I don't think I've ever measured a teaspoon of salt in my life. So we're just going to let that come to the boil.
Okay.
And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to prepare the nettles.
So can you touch those with your bare fingers, or do you need gloves?
No, you need gloves, so I'm just going to do this. I'm going to be a wuss. They are super tasty. I
wonder who the first idiot was who worked that one out.
Yeah. Yeah, a mouthful of nettles. Wow. And Josie, if you can't go walking in the dunes and you don't know where to get the nettles, Ucook.
What?
Ucook. Ucook is an organization that gives you a box this big of veggies, depending on how many people they're catering for. They give you enough veggies for 3 or 4 days, and they supply. It's really cool, really, really worthwhile.
Ucook is really you cool.
Really, you cool. But it really is. They have amazing ingredients, and yeah.
Maybe Ucook will see this video and give us a box.
Yeah.
Or two. Do you wash them?
Hey, I did already.
Did you? Because what's that?
Hey, that's a
like-
worm.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, no, we like them. It's all
protein.
It's been eating nettles, so it's not really a vegetarian dish anymore. Okay. And then the next thing I've got, check this one out.
Ooh.
Yeah, something different.
What's that,
again.
spinach?
Dune spinach.
What?
Yeah, again, I seriously went for a walk, picked up a few bits and pieces. I've rinsed all the sand and that off. But those of you living in Cape Town, you've seen this stuff.
I haven't.
Haven't you? You have, Josie. Okay, Josie, we're in business, okay? So there we are, hot. Boiling, okay?
Boiling.
Then here's the important bit now. How much pap do you put in? Guys, we're not going to make porridge. We're making pap. But you don't want it too dry, but you definitely don't want it porridgey. So what I do is make a little heap. There you go.
Like an island.
Yeah. And give it a mix in here.
Wow, so it's quite dry. I've always had my pap a lot wetter.
So that's how you go. Yeah. But now we're going to, remember when we add the olive oil and also adding,
So that's going to make it wetter
there's
again.
water here.
Yeah.
So there goes
Oh,
our,
you put that in right away?
yeah, because it's going to cook now. There goes our dune spinach.
Okay. Sure.
There go our nettles. Check that out. When did you ever believe you'd eat stinging nettles?
Yeah, I didn't really think about it.
Don't think about it, eh?
It's not really...
Not your thing, eh?
No, I don't know. I've never tried it. There's some olive oil over there, by the way.
Yeah.
All the way from Vermaaklikheid.
Vermaaklikheid. Waar is Vermaaklikheid?
Oh, that's where the farm was, where we did all our farm stuff. Look, Vermaaklikheid.
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He also makes a wine. Oh, wait, let me see how much.
tablespoon.
Oh, 1 tablespoon.
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Oh,
3.
okay.
3 tablespoons
Yeah.
for now.
Okay.
Now we're just going to let it simmer for half an hour. And then...
And there you go. And now we wait. Do you turn it down?
Out. And just let it simmer. Come taste the pap.
It's got nettles and...
Stinging nettles.
Stinging nettles and dune spinach.
Yo.